so how you guys doing? Thanks for joining me today for to learn some yoga. The first thing what I'm gonna teach you is Sun Salutations. So first thing we're gonna do, stand up in the mountain pose and just breathe. Just take a nice deep breaths. Then we're gonna come up into our upward salute, still breathing, and stretch those arms up as high as you can. You can feel free to wiggle the fingers or rotate the neck. Just kind of stretch and get prepared for your practice. Very short practice today. After this, we want to come down into our forward fold, and just, make sure you could bend your knees. Just make sure that you are, leading with your chest. I like to have my ribs touch my thighs on this, and, just get a good stretch, really good stretch. Same time, make sure you're breathing. Now we come up into our halfway lift. In our halfway lift, we want to make sure the heels don't come off the ground, and that we're leading with our chest, still breathing properly. After our halfway lift, we want to drop down, plant your hands, your palms on the ground, bring your feet to the back of your mat into a high plank. And in high plank, we just still want to breathe and tighten up our complete body. And we come down, we want to bring our bodies down, and then we want to come up into our upward facing dog. Now with our upward facing dog, we want to usually have just our feet, and the rest of our legs are not even touching the ground. And now we go into our downward facing dog. In our downward facing dog, what we want to do is, you can pedal out the feet. You can try to press the heels towards the mat. You can bend deep into your legs if you need to, and still you want to make sure you're breathing. Now we take a deep bend here, bring our feet to the top of the mat, still back and forward fold, and then inhale, right back into our upper salute, back into our mountain, hands to heart center. Now let's do this again. Back into our upper salute. We go down into our forward fold. Just hold it and breathing into our halfway lift. Our body should look like the number 7. Back into our fold, plant the hands, bring the feet back to the mat. And now you see we go right down, boom. Come up to our upward facing dog, back into our downward facing dog. Bring our feet back up to the mat. Now we're gonna speed it up a little bit. Come up, that's our upward salute. Down into our forward fold, back to our halfway lift, plant the hands, put the feet to the back of the mat. We come down, upward facing dog, downward facing dog, feet to the top of the mat. One more time, we're going up into our upward salute, forward fold, halfway lift, plant the palms, feet to the back of the mat, and boom, upward facing dog, downward facing dog, stretching it out a little bit, bring our feet to the top of the mat, forward fold, back to our upward salute. We bring our hands to our heart center. Just take some breaths, just breathe it out, breathe it out. You just want to relax, and, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. From my heart to yours. Namaste.
Say you down for I, but I ain't got the room. Unless you got the time, then I ain't got to lose. Just look me in my eye, I'm trying to find the truth.